Welcome to Living Off Your Backyard. My name is Mark, and this is my beautiful daughter, Lexi. Lexi is my superstar helper of the eternity. So today what we're going to do is we're going to be planting some marigolds. We're starting them from seed. These are the seeds. They're very, very small, but it's a little far away to see, I think. But anyways, I'm going to let Lexi tell us a little bit about marigolds. Go ahead, Lex.
They are an annual flower. They also bloom constantly from summer through fall. They're also easy to grow and trouble-free.
Wow. Why would we plant marigolds, Lexi?
You can plant them in your veggie garden because they will repel bugs, but not all bugs, but most of them.
But yeah, that's right. Yep.
Their smell as well as the bugs and pests. They discourage white flies from attacking the tomatoes. No guarantee, but they can help the bugs from snacking on your favorite foods.
Wow, good, good. So that's why we are going to be planting some today. Now what we're going to want to do is we're going to take our seeds and we're going to be planting them about 1/4 inch into the soil. Alright, so now you can see this is a marigold seed. It almost looks like a piece of wild rice. What we're going to do is we're going to make a small indentation in the soil. I'm just using a stake or a tag. We're going to plant them in there flat, 1/4 inch deep. That's about as far down as they want to be. And they usually take about 5 to 7 days to germinate. Alright, so they usually take about 5 to 7 days to germinate. They're going to want a little bit warmer temperature, about 21 degrees Celsius. And what we're going to do is we're going to plant them around the borders of our vegetable beds. We can plant them in and amongst all the plants. And like Lexi was saying, they're going to give off a smell that's going to help repel the bugs from eating our plants. You can buy these in the store, absolutely. Local garden centers, super centers, wherever you want to find them. But since we're planting everything else and we love doing this, we're planting them ourselves. Now last but not least, make sure you mark these because we will not remember what they are until they start coming up and we won't know what to do with them. We put the date on the back, put it in, and we're going to keep planting. Thanks. Alright, so just got to go down just a little bit. So what we're going to do is we're just going to make a small indentation like that. Put your seed in there flat.
Flat?
Yep, there you go. Tap the soil. We got to make sure it's completely covered. Perfect, great job. Let's do another one. Here's another seed. You can pick them up. You see them there?
Oh, there's one there. Perfect.
There's a tag. Just make a small indentation.
I gotta.
Yep.
Like this.
That's perfect. Great job.
No,
great.
I can't see it.
Yep. Just like this, Lexi. Okay, there we go. Put your seed in there. And, yep, tap it in. We got to make sure that the soil's packed gently around it. Fill up any air pockets. Perfect. Let's keep going. We got quite a few more to go.
Can I try to put this in?
Oh, please do.
Like that deep? Huh? Oops. Sorry.
Yeah, that might be just a little deep. Try not to go too much deeper than that. Great job. Let's put it aside. I'm going to grab you a few more seeds.